In this video, I will provide information about the Paragon Market Monitor feature. On the home page on the right-hand side, you will notice an area labeled Market Monitor. The Market Monitor provides a snapshot of everything happening on the MLS, such as new and expired listings, price changes, a hot list, sold and pending properties, upcoming tours, open houses, all within a specific time period. The default display is 1 day. However, you have the option to enter any number between 0 to 30 days. You can customize the Market Monitor to your needs. Click on the little gear on the right-hand side. Here, you can choose what type of property class you are interested in. For this example, I am going to choose residential. Next, you can select a building type. When you click on this magnifying glass, you will see there are many building types for one class. Choose the types that you are interested in. I am going to choose REDE for residential detached homes. We recommend selecting a specific city rather than filtering on an area. This will provide more accurate information, especially for data share listings. Next, click on Save. Now, click on Refresh. The numbers displayed in the Market Monitor will adjust to your customized criteria, providing you the specific market data you need. And now you know the value of the Market Monitor feature and how to customize it. If you have any questions, please contact Bay East Technical Support at 925-730-7100. Thank you.